Hello everyone, it's Sparkling Shine. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. And welcome to my old friends. How are you today? I was coming in to do a quick video. I wanted to show you what I have put together. And these are called, I know her name, Lilian. I can't think of the last name, but I'll put it on the screen. Yeah, that's it. And she takes these, hold on one moment. I thought I was going to be prepared. Um, what am I looking for? Anyway, I was looking for I was looking for just a regular envelope because she takes a regular envelope, business envelope or whatever. I think it, the size is number 10. I usually have a box here, but anyway, and she makes these are her houses, they're Lillian houses, but she makes it out of, she turns the envelope and turns it into a house. This is the first one, and they actually open up and you can put like a gift card down in them or something like that. You don't have to decorate the back, but I did. So this is my first one I put together. Here's the second one. You can decorate them however you like. Let me see, can I bring this up a little bit? Yeah, you can decorate them however you like. However you want to make a window or a door, and whatever you want to use for the chimney, you can put that up there. So that's that one. And then here's one. She used a lot of hearts with hers, and I used the reef. It's just basically with scrap paper. Cut the scrap paper, use the gemstone here, little words and everything, some cutouts. I didn't do anything to the back. She used a lot of washi tape, and they open up for you to, like I say, you can put a gift or whatever down in there. I just thought they were so cute. And then this is the other one I made with the pom-poms on it. Used one of the nutcrackers, basically stickers, a piece of scrap paper, some, stickers and everything. These were some Santa hats I bought from Hobby Lobby, but I had to cut it down because it was a little bit too wide. That's the back. And then she do like a little fake stitching on there with the markers. And you open them up and you put it down in there. So yeah, so I made these 4 yesterday. I was doing this actually for Saturday morning make, and I got sidetracked. But I want to show you guys what I want to do, because I actually made one using the Dollar Tree envelope. This is a bigger envelope, but I had the idea to use this one to fit, to make one to be the cover of my December daily, and it turns out so cute. Oh, I just love it. So I'm going to bring that in here. Put these up, because these can go in your journal. That's what she makes them for your journal. So this is my December daily, and it is ready, guys. It is so ready. That's the cover, and this is the back. And then, of course, I showed you guys about making the tassels with the paper clips. I mean, charms with the paper clips. I got all kind of charms, good things on here. So cute, little bell. I just love a star. I got a cookie for Santa. Ornament from Hobby Lobby. More ornaments. And then a little bell. And then this is the envelope. See it? And I used it as the decorative piece. And then you can pull this out. This is just a tag. This is also just a tag that I didn't close it up all the way. It's just a tag that I use to stuff down in there and paper clip it back on. I put one of the little striped bows behind it. See, my to and from is the chimney. This is the window. I use one of the ornaments from Hobby Lobby. Another little, I think I got this in a gift from a swap I won from Scrap Passion. Yeah, this is so nice. And then some more little goodies. Some more Hobby Lobby little ornaments. Put 22 there for the year. And we'll put that back up there for my December. Yeah, so it turned out so well and it fits so nice. And I haven't really done anything to the inside because this is actually my first time doing a December daily in what do you call it? Composition book. I was following Rebecca Hoot, who does a phenomenal job. I did have a few errors, but that's okay. I'm gonna work it out. I gotta put my calendar in here. But this so far I did for day one. And so you just take these and you can just use them as part of your decor in your in your December daily. You can use it and have it as like a tuck spot. Yeah. And it just flips down or whatever, however you want to do it. But like I said, it can go as a tuck spot. So it should be pretty good. But they look so pretty on your pages. See that? So this is day one. I had to get some K-cups and went to the grocery store. This is one of those little reindeer cards. Go fish cards, as they say. You just go down and it's just a picture. And then this is day two. I haven't started anything yet in there. I do have some pictures to put there. But see how it just lays there so pretty. You just use them in there. Use them at the top. Yeah, see how it looks? Put it at the top part of your book. Yeah, so I still got I got a little story in there, and I still got a lot of stuff to put in there. This is another little part of an envelope, a Christmas envelope that I flipped out like that. Yeah, so, and got some things in here. But yeah, this book is going to be filled up with a lot of goodies. I can't wait to just really fill it up. I did my best on it because I've never done one of these before. But whether in a composition book, I've done December dailies before, but not in a composition book. But I'm just doing a quick flip through. And I had the little story in there. And then this is the back. And see how pretty that looks? Oh my goodness, they look so good in the books. Like that. So, yeah, so I just want to come in and show my December daily cover that I used an envelope to make like a little house. And this is so excited to be these December dailies. They are so exciting. Okay, so we got that. And we got our little houses here. Lilian, I know her last name, but she puts these in her journal, and it's such an easy tutorial. But I'm going to link her down below so you guys can see. So thank you for stopping by. So this is what I worked on for Saturday morning mates, but I just didn't finish it on time. So I will see you guys in the next video because I've got an ornament swap back. I was in Rose Life Ornament Exchange. So I will be back to open that and show that. So again, thank you guys for stopping by. Be kind and remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.